Hi, my name is Angela with York Automotive, and I am standing outside this 2018 Ram 3500 ST White. You wanted to see some pictures of the inside. I want to show you a little bit of the outside, and then I'll show you what's inside. Take a trip around the vehicle. Okay, and some of the pictures inside. It is a two-door. You've got your gray interior, your back seat, and we're going to start it up. It's got your Sirius radio. You got your four-wheel drive, you got all your cup holders, you got your USB that you can plug in, you got your little compartments. This raises so you can put another person up here. So here are the pictures of the inside, door. So if you would like to come and test drive this vehicle, give me a call, 765-362-1600, and just ask for Angela. Thank you.